everyone, welcome to IntuCast Lab. I'm your host Deepika, back again with the exciting episode, and we will be going to talk about implications of AI into the workforce domain. To talk on the same, we have the expert speaker who is into the domain since long, Mr. Kamal Ruparelia. Hi Kamal, welcome on the
Good
show.
good to be here again. It's an
Yes.
exciting topic today.
Uh, Thank you so much. I am back with the list of questions that I have in the mind, and we are going to talk about the challenges that AI is bringing into the workforce domain. What are the potential job roles, and how we can deal with all this? So, to start with the basic, like, could you share some lights on the overview introduction of AI into the workforce domain, and what are the industries that is being impacted due to this change?
Yeah, so certainly AI is like mainly automating certain tasks that was requiring repetitive work, or sometimes some of the work that can be programmed, but it was tedious to be programmed.
Correct.
So mainly it is being used to automating routine tasks, improving
Hmm.
productivity, and
Hmm.
analyzing certain data to augment the decision making, right?
Correct.
um, there are a lot of lot of industries are being affected right now.
Hmm.
We can start with like retail or e-commerce, right? The first and foremost thing, chatbots, they are kind of mimicking experience of a real customer service representative.
Right.
Then finance, AI is helping a lot in analyzing data and even making automated trade fraud detection.
Hmm.
Manufacturing, we have robots, they are automating certain process and making all the workers more productive. Healthcare, it is used in diagnostic, like with multiple scenario. It can also analyze some of the imaging and
Hmm.
all. So customer service, analysis, making things more effective and productive. Those are the areas that has been used right now.
Correct. If I just talk about the day-to-day life, like I don't need to draft the entire email with all the details because AI is helping into the content writing. Or if I need to post anything on social media, it is helping us with the exciting captions and punchlines. So all these informations and like it is helping us into the routine-based activities, right? So what all the challenges that you could see that AI is bringing into workforce domain?
So there are main three bigger challenges. One is the job displacement.
Hmm.
Um, that routine task will be done by AI. So people will have to change the way they are working right now, and the fear is that there will be a job loss. But I
Hmm.
feel like it will just be a temporary adjustment or adoption that requires. So that is a fear there. Another the problem or fear is data privacy and security. That
Hmm.
is legitimate because AI needs large amount of diverse data, and even personally identifiable information can slip into it, and that can cause some issues
Correct.
later down the line, and it can be misused as well.
Hmm.
A third, and that's a little bit less kind of prevailing right now, but it will come to the surface very soon. It's the ethical concerns. So
Hmm.
if AI has been feed data with certain bias, or it has been feed low quality data, the output of AI comes with a bias, and then it will kind of create a doubt on the legitimacy, or the type of data it is been giving, and people will not trust as much to the AI. So
Correct.
yeah, I mean, three of these areas, it's bringing a little bit of um, kind of anxiety into the people.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. So about the privacy into AI, into the last episode itself, we talked in depth and how we can overcome this. You highlighted about job displacement. So people are actually worrying about whether AI will take up their jobs or what, considering developers or content writers or any other field which we have. So, how we can address these arising challenges and how we can overcome this job displacement issues that people are actually having in their mind currently.
So as I said earlier, right, I'm not very much concerned about it will take away jobs or anything. It is part of evolution,
Correct.
um, where a job will be I would say it will be programmed or reskilled. So upskilling and reskilling will be required by everyone in the market. They need
Hmm.
to learn how to live with AI, how to incorporate AI in their daily life. They
Hmm.
will also have to incorporate like learning as a part of their job profile, uh, because with AI will learn faster than humans in certain areas. So in condition for human to complement AI or AI to complement them, they need to keep learning constantly, right?
Yeah.
And third one is like, every companies, they have to have the innovation in their culture, so they need to make everyone open-minded about it,
Hmm. Hmm.
how they can come up with a new position, and how they can allow everyone to adopt the job without creating fears or any anxiety or anything within the.
Correct.
Yep.
Correct. So one thing that you highlighted is about reskilling the jobs that employees need to consider about, and on the other hand, employers has to create such an environment that is employee friendly as well as AI friendly, so that they both can work together and grow together. Any other thing that companies can implement into their process, or they can work on the AI projects or something that is helping into this workforce?
Yeah, so first thing is that company cannot rush adoption of AI. They cannot see the low hanging fruits, or they cannot just start implementing AI within very short period of time.
True.
The first and foremost thing they have to do is um, the education. Uh,
Hmm.
they have to take education as a primary thing within the company, like
Hmm.
R&D, and you know, educating the people how the AI will be gradually implemented within them, and how it will improve their own job profile. So if everyone is aware and everyone is on the same page, that would help them. The second thing is that they have to identify in a way that really making an impact. They cannot just hastily try to replace someone or reduce the some number of jobs.
Hmm.
Whoever are working, they can work with AI and implement AI as a part of their daily job and responsibility. They also
Correct.
need to improve their R&D,
Hmm.
in the investing into the sustainable and sensible AI into their workflow, and within the existing workforce.
Hmm.
So
Hmm. Correct. Some companies are also rushing towards the reducing the workforce and all, considering as of now they are having less requirement. So how people should adopt this, or what employers needs to do on this?
that's what I just explained in brief, that they need to take a very sensible approach, because right now the people, they feel like they don't need it, but there is a probability the same people can do better job in certain different area, and
With
then
the
the
help of
cost of
AI.
adding a new person within the company is always higher, right?
Correct.
So if they are sensible with little bit foresight and vision, they implement it gradually, step by step, then they will be the winner. If they try
Correct.
to just see as a quick output or
Hmm.
quick profit,
Hmm.
then on a long term it might come back to them.
Correct. So with new technology and the new trends, the new job roles will also arrive. So what are all the potential job roles that we can expect in the coming times, or that is already been in existence as of now with the launch of AI?
It's an interesting to see the different type of job roles in the market. Some job roles will be very short lived. It's opportunistic roles, but
Correct.
gradually people will get to know AI, like roles like prompt engineers.
Hmm.
That is very, very upcoming in the market.
Hmm.
But those kind of roles, because it's AI, it can be displaced by AI itself very soon. So another one is AI needs a sensible or thoughtful input in condition for them to work on anything or generate any content. So AI image creator, AI content generator. Those are a couple of new areas. The creative AI specialist, so they can give the proper imagination or prompts to AI that can create art, music, and other regular content. And most importantly, the winner would be AI developers, because AI can, I mean, right now, generative AI and everything is being used as it is, but AI will need to be part of their workflow. So whoever AI developers or AI engineers that can actually customize the system, that will need to be evolved. And we will see more and more jobs in that area. Another couple of most important but not so prominent job is like AI ethics specialist. So they will oversee and make sure that the AI is used in ethical way.
Hmm.
That might emerge, and that might also be in demand. That is also a very important role I am foreseeing. And then AI security and privacy, uh, either engineer or director or whatever level they put it. So they need to see the privacy and security aspects of whatever AI is generated or get been feed outside.
True, true. And lots of people are opportunities and started creating multiple tools for different industries that they can apply and started have getting the advantage of it. So it's excellent, and it's actually fascinating to see all these new job roles and the evolved future that we have currently and in the upcoming time. So, what all the trends that you can forecast or that you would like to see, along with the challenges that we have in these AI into workforce domain?
So everyone has a different opinion in here,
Correct.
but I think that AI technology will evolve with quantum computing and edge computing. The, the way we are using AI will evolve. That will more mold towards the individual needs, individual organizations needs, individual people needs, and individual industry needs. So I'm foreseeing that the work environment, the workforce, the way it is right now, it will not be the same. It will be a different, and it's for the betterment of humanity as we saw it.
True.
Unless AI goes out of control and nobody
Hmm.
can trace it, or what is for what purpose it is being used. But if it is being
Correct.
used in the right way,
Hmm.
then the work culture will evolve for the betterment.
Hmm.
People will have a lot more value than before, um,
Right.
and their work life will be better. It will be more balanced, and
Hmm.
we will see a lot of resistance and adoption in future. But I'm very much optimistic that AI is going to change in a positive way, the way we are working, and the way we are living in this world.
Correct. And likewise, the audience and everyone is looking forward to see these changes. So thank you so much for sharing all this information. And on a last note, I would just say that collaborate with the like-minded people who are into AI domain and observe and talk about the changes that they are coming into. And that is how we all will grow together into this world. Right. So
That's
thank
true.
you so much for sharing these informations and looking forward to many more other sessions with you.
Yeah, thanks, Deepika. It is always pleasure.
Yeah. Thank you.